This video is an overview of the installation process for the Viking Range 7 Series Multi-Unit Refrigeration Connector Kit. Your safety and the safety of others is very important. Please take a moment to read through the various warnings and dangers associated with this installation process. Measure the cutout dimensions carefully to ensure a proper fit. Refer to your installation manual for exact dimensions. The electrical outlet and water line locations can also be found within the installation manual. Ensure the floor substructure will support the weight of the units. The appliances are equipped with a 3-prong grounding plug. A 115-volt, 60 Hz, 15-amp fused electrical supply is required. It is also required that 2 separate electrical outlets, each with a separate circuit, serving only the appliances, be provided. The water supply line requirements are shown here. Please follow your local codes on certain supply line requirements. The location of the anti-tip brackets must be centered to the back of each unit. The vertical location of the brackets, dimension A, should be equal to the cabinet height opening, minus 83/15/16, plus 1 1/4 inch. Attach the anti-tip brackets to the wall using the screws provided. A minimum of 4 screws per bracket must be attached to the wall studs.